In today's video, we are going to show you how to add text in Sketchbook. Whether you're using mobile or desktop, this is super useful for adding captions, titles, or labels to your drawings. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is launch Sketchbook, open an existing drawing, or create a new canvas. Sketchbook is mainly a drawing app, but it includes simple text features that you can add captions like titles or notes to your artwork. Now, for you to be able to add a text, all I have to do is look for the text tool, which is a T icon on the toolbar right here, which is going to be this one. Click that and it should open a new dialog box where you can put your main text. For example, we're going to add it here. Matter of fact, you can control the way your text would appear. You can choose from a different font style, for example, Arial Black, and you can choose the color. If you want, you can go for this option right here. This is going to be the color editor. So I'm going to drop it around here, and you have the ability to make it strike through or maybe underline, make it smaller or bigger. It's up to you. Once you are happy, click the OK button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add text on Sketchbook. If you found this video helpful, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.